Hi, it's Phil from TeachBlend, and in this video, we're going to have a look at the JISC Capability Tool. Now, you'll need a college account for this, but if you have, it's a fantastic way of assessing your digital skills and getting resources to help you on the areas you need. So let's have a look at the JISC Capability Tool. So I'm on my web browser, and what I need to do is go to the URL bar and put in the link. I'll put this in the description, but you can also see it on the screen here. Once you've got this, you need to go to find your organization and then search the college or organization that's signed up to the Discovery Tool. From here then you'll be greeted with a welcome page. If you can't remember the link, you can also Google it and also access it this way by Googling Discovery Tool. From here, choose the green option, Discovery Tool for Staff. I've got a few more options because I'm admin, but you want to go to the question set. And the one we're looking for is the overall digital capabilities. There is other options as well, unique to your roles, and things such as AI and accessibility were also very useful. But today we're having a look at the overall digital capabilities. We're going to click Take or Retake, depending if you've already done it. From here, you're going to ask some questions, such as things around your digital proficiency and how well you feel you can do these tasks. You'll also be asked to grade yourself on not at all confident to completely confident. When you've done all of the questions, you're able then to click View Report and you'll get a breakdown of your digital competencies. You can click on key areas to access extra resources and also next steps to really improve your digital skills, such as getting started with Office 365. You'll also be able to see each individual heat map from here and download the PDF. And this is a fantastic way of knowing which resources and training that you need to access to improve your digital capability. You can also do progress over time to compare your results based on 2 different completion dates, which can be really useful to show that progress on improving your digital literacy. We're going to exit that now, but if you come back to this at whatever point, it's very easy to access again. So from the home page, if you go to Discovery Tool and we can go to question sets, back to the overall digital capabilities, and then from here you can retake or view the report. It's that easy. It's a fantastic tool, and I hope you found this video useful.